I just had, breakfast ready. Just like that, man. The experience has been nice. It just taught me a lot of things, you know what I mean? Rule number one, everybody's doing a zone through music. I don't know if that's gonna benefit GH rap, but you know what I mean? Music is music. Stuff like that happens, right? So good though. Shout out to everybody in the Boston region. Reception was nice. It was very, very, very okay, and my perception about this region has kind of changed. You know what I mean? Just like that, man. Right now, I just have to go to school and study for my exam. It is what it is, you know what I mean? It's so difficult, combining music and education, but you know what I mean? Just have to do that, right? So, right now, I'm in the cafeteria, just waiting for the meal, like breakfast, you know what I mean? Stuff to wait, man. Shout out to everybody, man. Once again, shout out to Trickster. You know what I'm saying? Check, QB, Scary, the whole C13 conglomerate, man. Massive thanks to everybody.